the discussion on Security Council reforms in the UN commenced decades ago. There have been calls for patience and for building consensus. But consensus, when wielded as a veto by another name, becomes a tool of obstruction, not inclusion. In the 17 years since the IGN format was initiated, it has been reduced to a theater of the absurd. Any objective analysis of the discussions up to now would make it clear that the current format has delivered nothing, adopted nothing, and reconciled nothing. The framework, structure, working methods, and all associated aspects of the Security Council remain unchanged. Member states are trapped in an endless cycle of statements and discussions that lead nowhere. The 79th session, like its preceding sessions, also concluded without any forward movement on this agenda item. This is masterful inactivity masquerading as dialogue. In this context, I would like to make the following points. First, any reform of the Council without expansion in both permanent and non-permanent categories would simply not be meaningful. The overwhelming sentiment of member states to have an expansion in both categories must be respected and duly factored in. Expansion of only the non-permanent category, thus further postponing the necessary substantive reform of the permanent membership category by a few decades, is a recipe to perpetuate the existing inequities and asymmetry in the Council and to consign the Council to further irrelevance and ineffective functioning. No amount of eloquent declarations emanating from this forum will be able to mask the lack of equity in the Council's positions.